Cool. Good point. So we'll do 3 deep breaths, and
Okay.
then I'll ask you who you are, where you're from, and what you do.
Okay.
Do you want to close your eyes? Or
All right.
love that. You could just stop there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So who are you? What do you do? And where are you from?
Okay, so I am Alison Bishop. When I'm at work, I am Dr Alison Bishop because I lecture on the Masters in Applied Positive Psychology and Coaching Psychology degree in the University of East London. And I am from a little place called Kesgrave, which is just outside Ipswich in England.
And it's beautiful.
And the sun is shining, the sky is blue.
And it is beautiful. Thank you
And
for
it's
having
a fab
me.
day, and Lindsay's been staying, so
All is well in the world.
yes,
So what does positive psychology mean to you?
it means I'm in charge.
Yay.
So yes, so what am I in charge of? Well, that means I'm in charge of myself. It means that I get to choose how I feel and to be able to alter my experience based on what I think and do with myself in my life. So I'm able to perhaps think about something that I'm maybe not so happy about,
Yeah.
and think about how I might want to actually change that experience.
Love it. Brilliant.
So yeah, it's a game changer.
I love it.
And
Thank
it means
you.
I'm in charge.
It's brilliant. I love it. So which positive psychology interventions made the greatest impact in your life?
There are many. It's quite hard to choose an answer to this one because so many of them have made a difference. But I think for me, yoga has been the one, that embodiment of positive psychology, not just into my brain and thinking of new ways to do my life, but in actually making a change physically, emotionally, and finding that still centered place, I think, in myself where I can be peaceful and happy and feel some sense of strength in my body, because I think so often we treat our bodies like transport systems for our head, for my brain, which is kind of like it's kind of like all well and good, but actually we're more than that. And actually taking care of our bodies using yoga, I feel really alive. That's my most alive moment in my day, is when I'm stretching, and we did some this morning.
We did, and it was
in the garden,
amazing.
and it was lovely.
It was amazing.
To look up at the blue sky and take a deep breath and just be grateful for being alive on another day.
So thank you for that, because it was amazing this morning. Thank you. So what positive psychology intervention do you think could make the biggest difference in your community?
Well, I think that positive psychology is something that is very bespoke to each person. So I couldn't say for everyone, I couldn't look at someone and say, well, if you're just this, then it'll all be good in your life. I think each person has to choose for themselves, but I feel very lucky, very blessed, whichever you like, to live where I do in the world. It's a safe community. It's a community where we all have somewhere to live, we all have a house, we have a place to buy good food, the weather is okay.
Beautiful today.
Sometimes. But you know, it's genuinely such a happy place. There's green space, there's beautiful countryside. I feel so blessed. But I think sometimes in our communities we don't notice just how blessed we are. So I think the positive psychology intervention that would most benefit this community is gratitude. Just to take that time to actually savour how blessed and how fortunate we are to be where we are in the world, because you know, we landed on the planet in a place all different for all of us, and we did nothing to earn that place at all. So how lucky am I?
You're very lucky. Thank you. So a one-line message of hope for the world.
Right, okay, so a one-line message of hope. So based on positive psychology, Hope is like know where you want to go and how you want to get there. So I think a hope for the world really has to come from a clear vision of where we want to be, what kind of a world do we want to live in, and so from there, how might we get there? So it's being clear about that, really, because once we have that clarity, we can then see our place in that.
Yeah.
So, you know, we might want to live in a world with a peaceful world. I mean, that's my biggest hope for the world. And so we might think about how to be more peaceful, which of course starts with each of us in our homes, in our kitchens, with our families and our friends.
Yeah.
You know, that's where we start creating a peaceful world. And then it gets bigger. But yeah,
Are you up for
that's it.
Heart to
A
heart,
heart-to-heart hug. Okay.
Oh. Thank you. It starts here. Thank you so much.